Task number 8, IMAP, synchronizing email. POP3 is enough when working from one device, that is your favorite email client on your desktop computer. However, what if you want to check your email from your office desktop computer and from your laptop or smartphone? In this scenario, we need a protocol that allows synchronization of messages instead of deleting a message after retrieving it. One solution to maintaining a synchronized mail across multiple devices is Internet Message Access Protocol, IMAP. IMAP allows synchronizing read, moved, and deleted messages. IMAP is quite convenient when you check your email via multiple clients. Unlike POP3, which tends to minimize server storage as email is downloaded and deleted from the remote server, IMAP tends to use more storage as email is kept on the server and synchronized across the email clients. The IMAP protocol commands are more complicated than the POP3 protocol commands. We list a few examples here. So login, basically we provide the username and the password also. Then we select what email we want to work with. Fetch, example, fetch 3 body. Actually selects the mailbox folder. Fetch then selects the message number 3 body, header and body. Move sequence set and mailbox moves the specified message to another email. Copy sequence set to data item name, copies the specified message to another mail, and I log out. Knowing that the IMAP server listens on TCP port 143 by default, we will use telnet to connect to vulnerable machine IP on port 143 and fetches the message we send in an earlier task. Here is the example. Basically, it does what it says here. Telnet to the following IP on default port of 143 is connected, and then it starts with a login and then selects the folder inbox. From the folder fetches our third message, which first unseen. All right, fetch, we obviously see it, and then log out. Just 1 second, because I want to see something. There is the flags that we can use. Okay, permanent flags, perfect. Flag permitted 4 exists. Oh yeah, so 4 messages exists. Unseen to first unseen, and we just need the third one. All right, the screenshot below shows the exchange messages between the client and the server as seen from Wireshark. The client only needed to send 4 commands shown in red, and the long server responses are shown in blue. So just to make it easy, we see highlighted in Wireshark with blue being the server responses and then red being the request responses. Actually, the messages that we, let's say, provided or needed. In our case, we needed to see the body and the header of the third message or email. Answer the questions below. What IMAP command retrieves the 4th email message? Oh man, come on. I mean, we can see it over there, right? So we use fetch third, right? 4th, and then body. But show split view. All right, and then we go over here. Telnet 10 255 99 143. It's ready. Strategus. Actually, let me see if this will work. Login, Linda. Oh, bad first parameter in line IMAP. Then I'll say login and a password. Strategus. It's a bad one. Okay, I will try. Login Linda $. What was the? Oh yeah, 1, 2, 3. It's bad login. Come on. Login. Inline is IMAP command tag, not the command name. Let me see. I think I missed something from. Oh, we. No. We good. We good. We first need to log in anyway. But it's not. A login. What the? This is a bit strange. I think that's just for just displaying the order, just to have an order, the A, the B, the C, and the D. Login. Obviously, the password is hashed. I mean blurred. Here you can see it, but over here you cannot see it in the terminal. All right. So I just wanted to enter Telnet with Telnet in the vulnerable machine to see if we can read the message that they wanted, but I guess we don't have proper credentials. All right, cool. See you in the conclusion.